People smoke for different reasons. Some enjoy it, others use it to manage cravings. But for many, smoking is a way to cope with stress, anxiety, or difficult emotions. The problem? While it may seem like a form of relief, on the contrary, it reinforces the very struggles people are trying to escape. The comfort from smoking is fleeting. It masks the issue rather than solving it. Over time, this cycle deepens, making it harder to break free. But quitting offers something more, an opportunity to reset. It allows your mind and body to restore balance, naturally managing stress and emotions instead of chasing a temporary high. Science confirms the link between smoking and mental health. Research from the WHO shows that tobacco use increases the likelihood of developing a mental health diagnosis. At the same time, individuals with these conditions are twice as likely to smoke. This isn't a coincidence, it's chemistry. Nicotine alters brain function. It triggers a burst of dopamine, the neurotransmitter associated with pleasure. But that rush fades quickly, leaving you restless, anxious, and craving more. Over time, smoking rewires your brain, making it harder to regulate mood without nicotine. Quitting allows your brain to heal. It restores chemical stability, which leads to reduced anxiety, better sleep, and a more balanced emotional state. You regain control, freeing yourself from the cycle of dependence. At Relief Mental Health, we offer real solutions. Our innovative therapies, including transcranial magnetic stimulation, help reduce cravings and restore emotional equilibrium. If quitting has felt impossible, there is another way. Reach out to Relief Mental Health and start your journey today. We're committed to helping you find relief.